speech on World Sight Day 2025. Theme: Love Your Eyes. The only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. Good morning, everyone. These words by Helen Keller reminds us that true vision goes far beyond what our eyes can see. It's about how we perceive the world and care for it. Today, we are here to observe World Sight Day, celebrated every year on the second Thursday of October, which falls on October 9, 2025. This day is dedicated to creating awareness about the importance of eye health and the urgent need to prevent avoidable blindness and vision loss. The theme for this year, Love Your Eyes, reminds each one of us to value, protect, and prioritize the precious gift of sight. Do you know that over 1 billion people around the world live with vision problems that could have been prevented or treated? Sometimes all it takes is a simple eye checkup, a pair of glasses, or timely medical care to restore someone's vision and their hope. Yet millions go without it. Imagine not being able to see the sunrise, the faces of loved ones, or even the words in a book. Vision gives us connection, color, and confidence. It helps us learn, work, and dream. That's why protecting it is not just a health need, it's a human responsibility. This year's message, Love Your Eyes, is not just about awareness, it's about action. Let's promise ourselves to get your eyes checked regularly, encourage family and friends to care for their eye health, support awareness campaigns that make eye care accessible to all, especially those in rural and poor communities. Because when one person's vision is restored, an entire world of possibilities open up for them. Here's a simple story that says it all. A young student once struggled to read the blackboard. Everyone thought he wasn't trying hard enough until one day a free eye checkup revealed he just needed glasses. The day he put them on, his world became clear again, and his smile said more than words ever could. That is the power of vision. As we mark World Sight Day 2025, let's remember eyes are not just the windows to the soul, they are windows to the opportunity, education, and hope. Let's cherish them, protect them, and help others do the same. So today, let's not just see, let's have vision. Let's love our eyes and help the world see a brighter tomorrow. Thank you.